Hey everybody, so up to this point, Potion has not had a dashboard that works very well on mobile. Like, kind of not really at all. So like, you couldn't go to your phone and you couldn't update settings on the mobile website. But not anymore because I've changed that. So if we kind of pop over here, you can see that it kind of folds up. I now have this nice little menu nav. You can jump around. This is all mobile friendly for the settings here as well. Then if we go to an actual site, now this is something that Ben Mann helped me kind of start with, and I think he did a really good job kind of setting the direction of being able to have this really small drawer, and it kind of pops out for things maybe like the site settings where it doesn't need to, you don't need to see the preview, but you can still see the preview here. And if you hit anything to the right of this drawer, that pops away. You can just see the mobile preview, and then you can still do the snippet injection. You can hit this menu to bring that back up. You can then see all the settings for that page. So it kind of still gives you all the abilities that you have with the full version. If we pop this out, where you can see the preview, you can see like your site pages. I have no like data loading right now. That's why it's very empty looking. It won't look like that, but yeah, it's pretty cool how it just kind of pops in there, and we get all the same visibility of seeing all the same things on the mobile version. So I'm really liking how it's turning out, and I think that will be a huge upgrade for Dashboard V2.